Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Way Mathematics with Khalil Ahmed. In this lecture, we discuss about the rate of change of a functions. Here, when x values are given a to b, it means that if a function having 2 points are given, तो ये फाइंड करना है कि इसमें कितनी चेंजिंग आ रही है वो हमने डिस्कस करना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये पॉइंट है, यहाँ से जा रहा है और ये पॉइंट यहाँ से, तो इसके बीच में यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ से जो चेंजिंग आ रही है वो हमने देखना होगा. ये हमारा पॉइंट है ए एंड बी, तो ये जो चेंजिंग है ये फाइंड करनी होगी. इस 2 पॉइंट गिवन पॉइंट की जो चेंजिंग होगी वो हमने फाइंड करनी है. लेट वी स्टार्ट आवर example our lectures. Okay, first question is that find the average rate of change of function when x varies from a to b. It means points are given. Which points? 2 points a and b. So here is examples. Y is equal to f of x and f of x is equal to x square plus 4. It means that our function is this one. F of x is equal to x square plus 4 and point A is 2 and point B is 2.3. Now first we find the difference between in these points. What is the difference between these points and how to find this one? These symbols, die of x is a difference B minus A. It means second point minus first point. Here is second point are given which are 2.3 minus first point also, first point is A also given 2. So what is different between these 2 points is 0.3. This is the difference of these points. Now we need to find the f of A and also f of B. We here find the f of A. First we write here a function f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Okay, here in the place of x we put the value of A. It means 2, f of 2 into f2 square. Here is a 2 square plus here is a 4. 2 means 2 square means 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, are you getting my points? Okay, well done. Now in the place of x we put the value of b. It means 2.3. f of 2.3. It means in this place we put the value of b 2.3 whole square plus 4. Now 2.3 plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 5.29. Okay, am I right? And plus 4, what the value of this one is? 5.29 plus 4 is what? 9.29. Okay, this is the value of this one f of b. So here is the value of f of b is this ones. Now we add this ones. Here we have a formula. Find the average rate of change of a function. What the formula of average rate of a function is? It means we have a function y is f of b minus f of a upon b minus a, given for the formula of what? Average rate of our functions. Okay, now we have all data given in this one. Okay, f of b is what? F of b is what? Is 9.29. put here in this formula. Y is equal to, here is the 9.29 minus this one. F of b is what? F of b is 8 upon b minus a. It means difference of this point is what? We already find the difference of point this one 0.3. 9.29 minus 8 is what? Is 1.29 upon 0.3. Here is a 1.29 upon 0.3. It means 1.9 divided by 0.3. We also write in other method In the other types, 1.29 divided by 0.3, and when we divide the 0.3 of 1.29 is required answer is what? 4.3. These are difference of 2 points. Okay, तो हम नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं, एक्सरसाइज का एक पार्ट है उसको देखते हैं, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, ये भी इसी तरीके से सॉल्व होने वाला है. लेट वी स्टार्ट दिस अदर एग्जांपल्स. ओके, सो सबसे पहले we find the difference of these 2 points A and B. Here is a difference of x. It is difference of these points B minus A. It means B is this one. 2.3 minus B. A is 2. What the required is 0.3. Okay, when we subtract it, 2.3 minus 2 is what? Is 0.3. Okay, now find the value of f of A and f of B. Okay, first we find the f of A. F of A, what is f of A? It means f of 2. Just we direct put here as a 2 in this function. It means 2 cube. In the place of x, we put the 2 because x is equal to 2 cube minus 4. Okay, 2 cube means 8. So 8 minus 4 is what? 4. Okay, now in the place of x, we put the value of b, 2.3. F of b, it means 2.3 is what? 2.3. Here is a cube minus 4. If we cube root of here is the cube of 2.3 is 12.9 or 12.17. 12.17 minus 4 is what? F of 2.3 is 12.17 minus 4 is what? 8.17. 8.17. And now we find the average rate of a change of function. We have a formula to finding the average rate of change. What is the formula of this one? F of b minus f of a upon b minus a. It means changing of the between 2 points. Okay, so y is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Now we have the value of f of b and also value of f of a, and difference of b minus a is given. Okay, we also find the values of these ones. Okay, now put the values of this one. F of b is what? F of b is 8.17, not a 17.8 here, sorry, my mistake. 8.17 minus f of a is what? F of a is 4 upon b minus a. It means difference of, it means changing of the function is what? Changing of the function is 0.3. Here is a 0.3. Okay, now 8.17 minus 4 is what? Remaining is 4.17 upon 0.3. 4.17 upon 0.3. Now when we divide the 0.3 in 4.17, the result is what? The result is 13.9. Okay, this is the required answer of given questions. Okay, you must remember this formulas. This formula is a rate of change of a function. Okay, how we solve this one? First we find the rate of change, difference of these 2 points, and we also find the f of b and f of a. It means in this lecture, just we finding the just 3 points: f of b, f of a, and difference of the points. Okay, now we discuss about the second question of this exercise. If you want to screenshot of this question, you may take it. To discuss about the question number 2. Question number 2 is that find out the average rate of change. सेम फार्मूला यूज होने यहाँ पर भी, बट व्हेन x फ्रॉम a to b. जैसी बात है, दो ही पॉइंट्स के बीच में चेंजिंग हमने देखनी है. a to b हमारे दो पॉइंट्स हैं, इसके बीच में जो चेंजिंग है वो हमने देखनी होगी. तो यहाँ पर भी वही फार्मूला, सेम फार्मूला यूज होगा. ओके, इसका क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. पार्ट नंबर 1 इज दैट a इज इक्वल टू पाई x स्क्वायर. The function is a is what? Pi x square, and having given 2 points a and b. A is 3 and b is 3.5. First we find the difference of these points. Okay, what the difference of these points is and how to find this one. As we know, difference of x, it means what the difference of this one, b minus a. b is what? 3.5 minus 3. 3.5 minus 3 is 0.5. Okay, are you getting my points? Okay, well done. So now we find the value of f of b and f of a. First we find the value of f of a. It means date f of 3. Here the a is 3. 3 is given in this part. Okay, and pi, in the place of x we put the value of 3 square, because x square. Okay, now 3x square is what? 9 of pi. Here is a 9 of pi. Now find the value of f of b. It means f of 3.5. Here is f of 3.5. It means in the place of x we put the value of f of 3.5 square. Now 3.5 square is what? 9.61 pi. So now these terms put in the formula. What the formula of rate of change function is? We have formula y is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. This is the formula of rate of change of functions. Okay, we have f of b. Now we find this one. This is f of b. We have also f of a. This is f of a, and difference of this one is 0.5. Put the in the formula of given data. Okay, so y is f of b is 9.61 pi minus f of a is what? Just 9 pi upon. So here is the difference of this one is 0.5. Here is a 0.5. Okay, now 9.61 minus 9 is what? 0.61 pi upon 0.5. Now when we divide, how to divide this one is, like, look here, 0.61 pi and divided by 0.5. First we remove the fraction. First we remove the decimal into fractions. Here is a convert. It means 61 pi upon 100, and here is a also divided by 5 upon 10. Now convert into reciprocal, and this symbol convert into multiplications. 61 upon 100 and 61 pi upon 100 multiply by 10 upon 5. Look at here, 0 will be removed, and 561 pi upon 5 times 10 is 50. Here is a 50. Now if we divide, this one is, this is the required answer of this question. You can convert into also decimal forms. Okay, when we divide the 61 upon 5 it will be converted into decimal form. This is a fraction form result. Okay, you can easily solve into decimal forms. Oh, sorry, yes, decimal forms. Okay, you will also convert into decimal forms. Okay, if you want to screenshot, you will take it. Now we discuss about question number 3. Now we discuss about question number 3. This is last lecture question of this lecture. So question number 3 is rate the price P. The P is a price in a rupees after T years. T is the time given. Okay, it means some years. It means maybe 2 5 years is given P is given P of T 3t square plus t plus 1. This is the given data. Given data is what? Pt is equal to 3t square plus t and plus 1. This is the given data. Find the rate of change of inflation from t. It means t is a year. It means 3 to 3.5 years. ये पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आप ये बताएं 3 से लेकर 3.5 ईयर्स तक यहाँ पे कितनी चेंजिंग आ रही है वो हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड करनी है. यहाँ पे कितना इसका डिफरेंस है वो हमने डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. रेट ऑफ चेंज बताना है. ओके, we have also formula of this question, rate of change. Okay, what the formula of rate of change is? F of b minus f of a upon b minus a. It means difference of 2 points. First we find the difference of this one. Here is also given point A is what? 3 and point B is 3.5. This is the times given. Okay, years. Now first we find the difference of these points. 3 minus 3.5 is 0.5. It means 3 minus 3.5 is what? 0.5. Okay, now we find what? F of a. F of a, it means f of 3. F of a is what? A is 3. We put the value of a into t. 3 t square, it means 3 square, it means a square plus 3, in this one is 3 plus 1. 3 square is what? 9. 9 into 3 is what? 27. 27 is 3 what? 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So f of a is what? 31. Okay. Now we find the value of f of b. We put the value of b into in the place of what? In the place of t. It means in this place. F of b, it means f of 5 is 3.5. The value of b we put in the instead of t 3.5 square plus 3.5 plus 1. When we simplify it, we got the result is what? 41.25. This is the value of f of b. It means this is the value of second point, second years. This one 3.5. Okay, we have already find these three datas. Okay, we have the formula of rate of change is what? We have the formula is f of b minus f of a upon difference of b minus a. Okay, we have the value of f of b. What the value of f of b? Value of f of b is 41.25. 41.25. Here is a minus. And what the value of f of a? We have already found this one is 31. 31 upon what the difference of a b into a is 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Now 41 minus 25. 41.25 minus 31 is what? Is 10.25 upon 0.5. Wait, it means 41 minus 31 is required is 10. Here is the 25 is same 25. Okay, if we divide the 10.25 into 0.5 is what is 20.5. And but how? Look at here, 20.25 divided by 0.5. Okay, now first we convert into a fraction form. This is a decimal form. First we need to convert into fraction form. It means 10.25 upon 100 divided by 5 upon 10. Okay, now we reciprocate it and convert into multiplication this symbol, this operations. 1025 upon 100 multiply 10 upon 5. And how to solve this one? Look at here, 10 into 10 will be removed, remaining it what? Look at here, 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 10. Okay, 0 5. Okay, are you getting my points? Now remaining is 205 upon 10. If we have a 205 divided by 10 is what? 25 point, yes, 20.5. This is required answer of this question. If you have any queries, you may ask in comment section. If you want to take the screenshot, you may take. ओके, तब तक इजाजत दें, अल्लाह हाफिज।